I wanted to show some stuff from this little area and some other spots on my property where I've shown on recent or past videos from way back in 2009. Like here's a fern that I just wanted to get a shot of here in this early part of May. It's May 13th or 14th today. So there's that. That thing gets really huge. There's some more fern growing out here, which is kind of neat. There's that kind of big yellow flower that I've got on some video that I haven't ever figured out the name of. These things get to be about 6 foot high, about this high, or that high. Compared to right now, they're that high. Now this stuff I wanted to point out because I don't know what this is. This is some sort of a weed, but it's really tricky because it looks like it grows looking like, I don't know if you can see it well, sweet woodruff. It looks just like it, but it's some sort of a nasty vine, and it breaks off really easy, and it's really sticky. And but this stuff grows all over, and it's like I said, it's like a nasty vine. I got to get in here and pull this junk out because it'll grow over everything. There's some more right there, and so anyway, there's that section. Here's some poppies that have yet to pop. I don't like poppies so much because they're also dumb, gangly plants that pop open and fall over as soon as they do. But I've got a section of them out here in some property that got a lot of wild strawberries growing so far. These are those white bellflowers as they look when they're very young. So now let me go on. Here's a columbine that hasn't blossomed yet. This thing looks like a very large clover, but it's not clover, it's columbine. Here's some more poppies that grow over in here. And I wanted to show a couple more things here. Yeah, we live in the trees where, when the sun, or before the leaves come out, which they still aren't fully grown out, our grass grows like a house of fire. It's a big mess. Okay, so down here I have these are pretty forget-me-nots that grow like all over the place in this part of the spring. That's the part I like about no leaves, because the forget-me-nots come out and they'd grow all summer, except we get a cover of leaves, and then you can't see them. Here you see these patches of grassy junk that's growing in the middle here. Well, I was going to point out is I just go to yank this stuff out. That way, I don't mow over all the nice forget-me-nots. But there was a big clump right here, a big clump of grass that I yanked out. And the thing I was going to point out is you got to be very careful sometimes when you do this stuff. You see there's this very large columbine plant in here. You see this one's got some buds on it already. So that's kind of all I was going to show in this video. There's another columbine plant right there. There's another one right back here. Some of these I see a bunch of them right now. There's some here, there's some over here, right there, there's some right there. I like them back in off the driveway just a little bit because you notice that this doesn't grow a bunch of nasty stuff back in here. But over there, now that's another story. What's going on there, buddy?